Hello everyone, welcome back to Job Simplify channel where we provide off-campus jobs and internship opportunities for all college freshers as well as experienced candidate. So in this video, I will be discussing about the off-campus biggest hiring from Tata, Jet Global and Microsoft. There is no percentage criteria, all branches are eligible to apply. This is a college freshers hiring, so all freshers as well as final year graduate can apply for this opportunity. So let's see more details about the jobs. First hiring is from Tata. Tata is hiring for graduate engineer trainee for their Tata Chemicals at Mithapur, India. If you haven't heard about the name, then Mithapur is a city in Gujarat. So all the college freshers with any domain or discipline in any branches with any percentage criteria in your class 10th, 12th or graduation can apply for this opportunity, where you should be having good communication skills in Gujarati, English and Hindi, with a good command over MS Office, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. So talking about the roles and responsibilities during your work, then you will be performing the various tasks related to quality check, safety compliance, taking initiative in any of the project and day-to-day tasks in the company. Second hiring is also from Tata. So they are hiring for diploma engineer trainee for their Tata Chemicals at Mithapur, India, which is located in Gujarat. So all the college freshers with a diploma degree in any branches or discipline with any percentage criteria during their academic, where you should be having good communication skills in Gujarati, English and Hindi language, and you should be having good command and hands-on experience in using MS Office, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. So both the hiring is from Tata, where the first hiring is for graduate trainee engineer with BE BTech in any discipline can apply, and second opportunity is for all the diploma holder candidates who have recently completed their diploma degree in any branches or discipline. They can apply for this opportunity. So this is the best opportunity to all the college freshers from the Tata group. So all the college freshers must apply for this opportunity. Third hiring is from Microsoft. Microsoft is hiring for their data scientist for internship opportunity, where they are hiring for the Hyderabad, Bangalore and Noida location. Your 50% of your work will be from work from home and rest 50% of your work will be from office. So talking about who can apply for this internship, then any candidate who is pursuing their bachelor's or master's degree in engineering, in computer science or related field can apply for this opportunity, where you should be having knowledge in using any of the programming language with OOPS concept. You should be having knowledge in data structures and algorithms and the fundamental knowledge in computer science. And if you are having knowledge in using Kaggle Score, Pandas, Skype, MATLAB or any scripting language, then it will be an advantage for this role. So talking about the roles during your internship, then you will be working as a data scientist at Microsoft and evaluating all the machine learning models and algorithm to solve the real world problems. So apart from the internship stipend or salary, you will be getting various benefits and perks from the Microsoft as it is mentioned. So this opportunity is very beneficial for all the college graduates who are currently pursuing their degree can apply for this internship. Fourth hiring and the last hiring for this video is from Jet Global Software. They are hiring for the associate analyst role for Pune and Hyderabad location. The work will be from work from office. So talking about who can apply for this opportunity, then you should be having BE BTech from computer science, IT or related field, where you should be passing out in 2023 batch with 60% throughout your academic career. Talking about the skills, then you should be having the fundamental knowledge related to computer science with the problem solving and critical thinking skills. The package offered is 3.75 LPA. The main advantage for this job that they have mentioned the joining date. As you can see, the joining date is 21st September 2023. As you are aware about the IT industry, that many of you are being selected in the company but they are not onboarding and they are not sending the date of joining. So this opportunity is very beneficial for all the 2023 candidates as they have mentioned the joining date. So after getting the offer, you will be directly onboarded in the particular date which they have mentioned. So talking about the selection process, then first you will be appearing for the technical and English language test, which will be in the online mode, followed with the technical interview and followed with the HR interview. And after that, they will directly declare the selected student's name. And if you are selected, then you will be getting the offer letter. And all the rounds during the selection process will be elimination round. So this is the best opportunity for all the 2023 candidates and you must apply for this opportunity. So these were the 4 hiring updates. According to your eligibility and criteria, you must apply for all these jobs. And if you haven't watched our previous videos related to off-campus hiring from Google, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, Ecolite Digital, AMD, all the hirings are for freshers and graduate hiring. So you must apply for all this opportunity. and today we have completed the 900 subscriber mark. So thank you to all of you who have supported to our channel, and if you are new to this channel then you must subscribe to our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. We'll meet in the next video with the latest hiring opportunity. Till then, thank you.